This story was written by Miss Castellanos' class, and it's called The Candyland Savannah. Once upon a time in the Candyland Store, there lived the owner, Miss Fashion, and her daughter, Super Fast Cheetah Woman.
Hey, I'm Miss Fashion. Hi, I'm Super Fast Cheetah Woman. Super Fast Cheetah Woman. If you hide the banana chips and cake from me, I am totally gonna ground you and send you to your room because those are my favorite snacks, okay?
But Super Fast Cheetah Woman sprints all the way to the Happy Flower Savannah with the banana chips and cake because she was hangry.
I'm so hangry. She'll never find me here.
But Miss Fashion follows Super Fast Cheetah Woman in a pink flower taxi car because she knows that Super Fast Cheetah Woman is actually a candy monster, and she's been sneaking out lately.
I totally can't find her.
Super Fast Cheetah Woman was abducted and replaced with a candy monster that looks like her. Since Super Fast Cheetah Woman is supersonic, she speedwalked past Miss Fashion, made her confused, and grabbed all the food.
OMG, someone totally stole my fruit.
And ever since that day, Super Fast Cheetah Woman superflew all the way to Mexico City for a whole year.
Mexico City. Oh, gracias, señor.
And now, Miss Fashion wanted to steal food from the Candyland store to get revenge.
I'm totally gonna steal this food.
Then the President of Candyland fires her.
You're fired. Well, your hat totally doesn't go with your scarf.
Back in Mexico City, Super Fast Cheetah Woman decides,
I miss the Candyland store. I want to be good and just pay my bills.
She cried and yelled,
I just lost my way back.
The end.